Hey y'all, let's do a little nature video, shall we? This is the Lower Locken Dam, and this is called the Salt River. So they opened it up and they're releasing water, and I'm not really sure. My friend didn't know why, but for some reason that's what they're doing. See it splashing? The water's quite low. We haven't had any real rain to speak of. Whew. These sunglasses are not making me happy. Isn't that pretty? Lots and lots and lots of gravel. The water's going pretty quick. I wasn't really eager for Milo to get in because the current, you know what I mean? It just made me a little nervous. But it's pretty cool. We're not too far from New London, Missouri. It's going real fast on that side. See that? Smells real fishy down here. There's a circle right here. I don't know if y'all could see that. So I don't know what that is, or that's a circle of fish, or if that's created by the water being released. I don't have a clue, but it's interesting. I put my feet in, but that's as far as I'm going with that. But now I want you to listen to the sound, right? That's how the ocean sounds. When I was on Martha's Vineyard visiting my grandma, me and my friend were there on top of the cliff, and you could hear the ocean. The only difference in the sound would be a deep roar with it. This is more of a light type sound, but if you have like a deep roar, that's how the ocean sounds, and you could just hear its intense power. And yes, we're in a heat wave today, but I'm by the water, so I'm good. I could listen to that all day. Water's super, super, super low. Very calming. Had to get cooled off, huh, baby? I know. Be careful. You be careful. He had to be the star of the show. You be careful, Milo. Don't you go too far. That feel good? That feel good, Milo? Yay! Good doggy. What are you doing? I bet that feels great. Please be careful, Milo. God, don't. Don't you go too far. Give your mother a heart attack. Did that feel good, baby? Did that feel good? Look at your big old head. That feel good, Milo? Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of nature ASMR. Bye.